Keith Young here with CYC4C Detroit, and I have another video tutorial on how you use the Epson GT-1500 scanner software to scan in a large volume of files at one time and use the software to split it. In order to do this properly, you're going to need to launch the software from the scanner. So what I mean by that is you need to press the button, the scan button on the actual scanner. So click the button that says PDF on the Epson scanner, and it's going to launch a dialog box onto your desktop. When that dialog box launches, you need to click the settings button, then go down to the file save settings. You need to choose where you want to save your file at. I created a file already called test, so I'm going to go ahead and save my test into there, and then I'm going to choose a file name prefix of CYC test split, and I'm going to set the start number to 001. Alright, now the next thing I need to do is in the image format under type. As you can see, it's already grayed out as a PDF, but I do need to click the options button. And it's here that I can change the settings for the page numbers. I can create a file with all the pages that are involved in my scan, or I can select a number of pages that will make up my split pages. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's just say I have 8 pages that I want to scan, and every 2 pages I want to make one discrete file. So I'm going to put 8 pages on my stack, and then I'm going to tell this to select the number to make file, and I'm going to say every 2 pages in that scan I want to make its own file. Now that comes in handy if you have a stack of 40 and maybe every 10 pages you want to make it its own file. So I'm going to go ahead and set these settings for this because I have 8 pages in my scanner and I want to make 4 discrete files. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click OK. Click OK again, and then close this dialog box, and then go ahead and click the scan button. That's going to scan in all my pages, and then once they've all been scanned, it's going to turn them all into discrete files. Once you're done scanning, go ahead and when the dialog box pops back up again, you need to hit the PDF finish button, and the software is going to go ahead and do the conversion for you. And now that it's done converting the files, now you can see that I have 4 separate PDFs that are each 2 pages each. I'm going to go ahead and launch this. I just scanned in some of our CYC flyers as a sample of how to make this work. But each one of these PDFs is now 2 pages. So that's how you set up your scanner to create separate files out of a whole stack of files, or a whole stack of documents that you put onto your scanner. Alright, so I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them either on the YouTube page or on Facebook, and I will get that addressed as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.